In this video, we will explore 4 delicious budget-friendly recipes that the whole family will love. These recipes are easy to make and won't break the bank, making them perfect for any budget-conscious home cook. From breakfast to dinner, we've got you covered with these mouth-watering recipes that everyone will enjoy. 5 keyword. 1. Budget-friendly recipes. 2. Family meals. 3. Easy recipes. 4. Affordable cooking. 5. Delicious food. Intro. Welcome to our channel where we provide helpful tips and tricks for busy families looking to create delicious meals on a budget. Today, we are going to share with you 4 mouth-watering budget-friendly recipes that your whole family will love. These recipes are easy to make, affordable, and packed with flavor, so let's get cooking. Recipe 1. Sheet pan fajitas. For our first recipe, we have sheet pan fajitas. These are a favorite in our house because they're easy to make and customizable to fit everyone's taste. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients. 1. 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. 2. 3 assorted bell peppers. 3. 1 onion. 4. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 5. 1 tablespoon chili powder. 6. 1 teaspoon cumin. 7. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 218 degrees Celsius. 2. Slice the chicken breast, onions, and peppers into thin strips. 3. Place them on a baking sheet and drizzle with olive oil. 4. Add chili powder, cumin, salt and pepper to taste. 5. Toss everything together until coated. 6. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Once your sheet pan fajitas are done, serve them with your favorite toppings like sour cream, guacamole, and shredded cheese. Delicious. Recipe 2. Creamy tomato soup. Our next recipe is perfect for a cozy night in, creamy tomato soup. This recipe is easy to make and comforting. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients. 1. 1 onion, diced. 2. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 3. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 4. 28 ounces canned crushed tomatoes. 5. 1 cup chicken broth. 6. Half teaspoon sugar. 7. Half cup heavy cream. 8. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Sauté the onion and garlic in olive oil until soft. 2. Add the canned tomatoes, chicken broth, and sugar to the pot. 3. Bring everything to a boil and reduce the heat to a simmer. 4. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. 5. Puree everything with an immersion blender or transfer it to a blender to puree. 6. Add the heavy cream and stir everything together. 7. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve your creamy tomato soup with a slice of crusty bread and enjoy. Recipe 3. 1 pot chicken and rice. For our next recipe, we've got a 1-pot meal that's perfect for busy weeknights. 1 pot chicken and rice is a complete meal that's easy to make and delicious. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients. 1. 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. 2. 1 onion, diced. 3. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 4. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 5. 1 teaspoon thyme. 6. 1 teaspoon oregano. 7. 1 cup long grain white rice. 8. 1½ cups chicken broth. 9. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Cut chicken into small pieces. 2. In a pot, sauté the diced onion and minced garlic until soft. 3. Add the chicken and sauté until browned. 4. Add the smoked paprika, thyme, and oregano, and stir everything together. 5. Add the white rice and chicken broth, and bring everything to a boil. 6. Reduce the heat to a simmer and let everything cook for 20 to 25 minutes, until the rice is tender. Your one-pot chicken and rice is now ready to serve. Enjoy! Recipe 4. Homemade pancakes. Who says you can't have pancakes for dinner? Our next recipe is for homemade pancakes, which are a classic and comforting meal. Here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 1. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 2. 3½ teaspoons baking powder. 3. 1 teaspoon salt. 4. 1 tablespoon white sugar. 5. 1 1/4 cups milk. 6. 1 egg. 7. 3 tablespoons butter, melted. Instructions: 1. Mix flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar in a bowl. 2. Add milk, egg, and melted butter. 3. Mix until smooth. 4. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or frying pan over medium-high heat. 5. Pour or scoop the batter onto the griddle and cook until bubbles form on the surface. 6. Flip and cook until browned on the other side. Serve your homemade pancakes with butter, syrup, and any toppings you like. Delicious! And there you have it, 4 mouth-watering budget-friendly recipes that the whole family will love. These recipes are easy to make and won't break the bank, making them perfect for any budget-conscious home cook. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks.